beautiful people, welcome back to another video. I'm Lexus and this is a Nom Nom to Fitness. If you're new here, welcome. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. So today I have another what I eat in a day video. I'm showing you some of the healthy plant-based recipes that I'm eating on my fitness journey. And I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. So for breakfast I had an egg and cheese sandwich and some savory grits. So I'm adding 1/4 cup of grits into a saucepan and 1 cup of veggie broth. And I only added about a half teaspoon of the veggie broth paste. I use better than bouillon. I sprinkled in some garlic powder and some of this Cajun seasoning. And I'm whisking it to make it creamy, and you want to leave this on the stove top on simmer until you're ready to eat it so it doesn't thicken. And you might have to add a little bit more water and adjust the seasonings as well. And for my eggs, I'm using just egg, sprinkled in some sea salt and some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm telling you, this just egg is the goat. It is so good. And I'm eating it with this gluten-free bread that I got from Sprouts. Adding some ketchup, some vegan cheese, and I just toast it on each side. I ate my grits with some green onions, and I also sprinkled a little bit more garlic powder and Cajun seasoning because I did end up adding more water to it. I just wanted to balance out the flavors. This was a really, really good breakfast. For lunch, I had a quinoa salad. So I added a half cup of quinoa and 1 cup of water into a saucepan. And I just sprinkled in a little bit of sea salt, let it cook down for about 15 minutes. And I prepared some green onions, some grape tomatoes, some cucumbers. For the dressing, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of agave, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Toss my veggies in. Then I drizzled some of the dressing over the top. This salad was so good, you guys. You have to try it. This salad is so good. I'm not just saying that. The dressing is like, it's sweet, but then you still get that flavor of the Dijon mustard and the balsamic. Just everything about it. I feel like eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. You may look at this and just say, oh well, it's just quinoa vegetables, but it's really flavorful and it's really good. I like that you can eat this cold or you can eat it warm. And I just made this for me, so a half cup. As you could see, just made a whole bowl like this, which is a good serving size for me because I don't like making too much food and then just wasting it. For dinner, I made some Penang curry, dicing up 1 yellow onion and slicing up some carrots. I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of this veggie fish sauce. It is optional. I'm sauteing my onion in a little bit of grapeseed oil for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of this Thai red curry paste. I'm also adding in 2 teaspoons of minced ginger. And I'll let this cook down for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in 1 red and green sliced bell pepper along with my carrots, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of sea salt and black pepper and let it cook down for 5 minutes. Once that's done, I'm adding 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk and a half cup of water. And I'm going to let that cook on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, 1.5 teaspoons of coconut sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And I'm also adding in a handful of tofu that I had left over. And I'm eating this with some jasmine rice. Okay, so the curry was good. That was my last meal of the day. Might have a snack later on, maybe. But that is it. I now have to clean my kitchen because I have dishes and stuff everywhere. If you guys liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.